front and back. Man could get man down in, man could get man in the boot still. Go on.
You don't have to know what to do.
Yes, people, back again. REIS'S reviews. Just a POV drive of the Ford Fiesta ST 1.6 EcoBoost. I've got the little one with me today. She's a bit of a speed freak as well. Say hello.
Hi.
So yeah, we're out here, man. So just stay tuned. We're just gonna leave it recording. Try and get some good driving roads. Wind these windows down a bit so we can hear what's going on. Yeah, but yeah, that's it, man. First bit of sun today. Let these people go. Hey, it's a bit naughty. Yes. But yeah, man, overall, still got this one. Jeez. Handling's lovely on these. My mate did say. Black stick. I black stick 'em. Woo. It's quite off this is. But yeah, man, still got it. ST2, cheapest one in the country. Let me know if you want it. Yeah? But yeah, as I said, my first bit of something today. So we backed out the garage before we go for a little run. Just trying to find some country roads, man, to be honest with you, man. Try to see if we can find some sort of opposition. That's what I'm looking for today. Where's the opposition at though? Where's the targets? Where's the targets, man? We're out here looking for the targets today, man. Come on. But yeah, man, gonna be shooting a video on the Go Far this week as well. Try and keep it consistent. That was actually a target, to be honest with you. See if we can burn it, man. Quickly. Yeah, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna give you guys the opportunity to find out a little bit about my BG, yeah, which I call BG anyway. But basically, my eldest in charge, yeah. We can answer some questions while we're doing the test drive. Well, get me. I don't know what you guys really want to know. What should we? What sort of questions? All right, cool. I know the sort of questions that we can ask. So, BG, what is your? What do you prefer? Do you prefer PlayStation or Xbox?
PlayStation by far.
PlayStation by far. Why though? Why obviously?
Well, if you think about it, Xbox is literally like PlayStation, but a bigger controller and extra buttons that you end up not even having to use anyway. And Xbox is just slow.
Oh, obviously there could be police watching this, so I just need to let them know.
Who are
Saying
younger.
it with chest as well.
I know people who are younger,
I hear
so.
I hear you, I hear you. I definitely do hear you. Okay. So what do you prefer? What do you prefer more? Do you prefer the Golf, or do you prefer the Golf, or the shit? My phone. My new phone, man. Flipped it now. Yeah, the Golf, or the or this.
Golf is obviously faster.
Is it? Does it feel faster?
No.
It
Doesn't feel faster.
It don't feel faster than what?
This.
Nah.
Obviously it's faster, but this one makes like, I feel like the Golf's quite quiet, to be fair.
Quite quiet. You're hearing that, people? Exhaust pending on the Golf.
I feel like it's quite quiet.
Saying the Golf's quiet, so we need to have a stage 1 370 brake. You think this feels faster?
Not faster, but just louder.
Louder.
Though I have been in the Golf, and it is like, me personally, I've only been scared of one car in my life, and that was when I was really young.
Mercedes C63,
Yeah.
people. I took
I
her
was
out
really
one
young.
of them, and she was very, very scared in that one, to be honest with you. But they were crazy quick back then. This would have been in about 011, 012 maybe.
Oh, so I was 3.
Something like that. Another question for you. Which one of your sisters you love more?
I can't say that.
That's it. So she passed that question. That was a
I
trick
can't
question,
say that.
people.
Well, duh.
Very trick question.
I have 2.
Who do you love more out of mummy and daddy?
Can't say that either.
Another trick question. You're doing well. You're doing well. You're actually doing well. You're doing very well, man.
I'm smarter than you think.
100%. Ooh, that's some opposition there, but
Opposition. Oh my
yeah,
God.
that's opposition there.
It's not opposition.
Ooh, trying to hear that? Trying to make the exhaust a bit loud as well. You double back on them, man.
No. Oh God, you really are on me.
What other questions we got?
Dunno, you're the trivia master.
Ooh. Actually, I know what we could ask you actually. Ooh. So, what do you miss about not being at school? That's a good one.
My mates.
You miss your mates in that?
Only one, because they don't really like the others anyway, so they don't really affect me at
Nah,
all.
see, look, you're going mad now.
They don't really.
Cut. Back again. Take 2. Little one just went a bit mad there. She went spiral out of control there. Yeah, as I said, man, we're just going for a little rip around. See what's going on, to be honest with you. I'm about to park this off and jump in the Golf quickly because I need to get my other daughter some. What do we need to get? Paracetamol. Calpol or something like that, so I'm going to do that. But yeah, overall, man, listen, you can't knock it, man. Like, you can't knock it, man. For £5,000, I don't know, what can you get, really? And it's stage 2. It's running about 220 brake horsepower. It's quite exciting, man. It's definitely more exciting than the Golf, I must say. But obviously not a better car, but more exciting. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, man, I'm gonna try and do some. We're still looking for some opposition. What we can see though, we can see some guys on a horse.
Yeah, true.
Guys on a horse.
Is it just one horse or 2?
One horse with 2 guys on it. Come on. Big up my travellers out there as well. Like and subscribe. I've got a lot of traveller mates as well. So big up yourself. Because them man there are the only guys I know that are slowing up traffic though with a horse. Slowing the whole motorway up with a horse. Bad boys. But
It's the world's tiniest horse as well.
yeah, it's poor little pony as well. Small pony with 2 fully grown guys on it. Killing them.
With a whip.
Killing the pony's back, yeah, with a whip. Come on, guys. I'm gonna pick them up though, man. But yeah, man, we're just out here, people. As I said, only a quick video. Come out to get a little bit of fresh air. lockdown for ages, you know what I mean? So that's it, man. You got anything else you want to say? We saying we're out? Or we out? Are we out? Are we out already?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Because we didn't find any opposition now, did we?
We're out, you know, we're out. Listen, so we're out. We saying REIS'S reviews, signing out already? We signing out or what?
I know a way we could end it.
Go on.
A little montage.
It's a montage.
A montage of music, like a couple of
Cool clips.
Yeah.
Gonna end this, guys, with a montage. That what it's called?
Yeah.
Yeah? Boom, bang. Look out for the montage coming there. What are you saying? What sun that? Now we're gonna go jump in the golf. Have to. We're gonna go shopping anyway.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Why are you looking like that?
That's when I'm in the thingy mode.
In the what mode? No one knows.
Stick mode. Sorry, no one knows what the thingy is. That's when I'm in the
No one knows.
That's when I'm in the stick mode. When you see me like that, people, stiff, neck straight.
When you see him like that,
It's a wrap. I can't lie to you, it's a wrap. Hold this. It's about to get sticky in about 2 seconds. Hold on to that tight as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's about to. All my guys out there as well thought there was better drivers than man. Greg James, yeah. Up team, yeah.
Oh my god, are you really
Slim
bringing this to this?
LVM. I have to.
You
yeah.
don't have
Cool.
to.
I'll show you guys. Guys, man. Come on, guys. I'm trying to let you guys know, man. Could have done this as a thing, man. As a occupation, man. Didn't have to do this. But I'm trying to say, like, I am actually up there with the best. Look at the stiffness. Lovely.
You bring in the music, way extra.
Actually, lovely, man. We're going this way now. Going left. Got 39 miles left of petrol. Going left. Let's see what we can hit on.
What
this
did we
road.
start with?
Ooh, is that police there or what? But I tell you, it's their lights. See, what license? No. Oh, they're
Not on camera.
Ooh, so what you do, go? You hit these corners, on a brake. You think on a brake, you want to accelerate. It's happening good, you know? It's absolutely good, you know?
I knew you were going to do that.
Look at these people, this is what I'm going to say to you, man.
What people?
MSCLC James.
Dad,
What?
you're lying. Lying.
Just see the way them ways. Just see the Felicia. Tell mama I love her, man.
What am I supposed to get? Like,
Yo, people. So my overall I'm about to go into professional mode as well.
here we
My
go.
overall conclusion of the Fiesta ST is absolutely magnificent.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Absolutely bang on. Absolutely bang on. So here's what we're gonna do, guys. Boom bang boom, guys. At least now you'll be able to gauge it. I don't know.
Try getting in my accident.
Come on, man.